Yeah.
Nice. Man, gotta get a boat.
You should.
My wife
Treat
won't
your-
let my wife
treat
won't let me.
yourself. Get rid of her.
You've met her. Man, you were gone for like 5 minutes. What was going on?
Just think about all the work I did on this by myself.
We were all worried about you.
Yeah. Me too. Thank you. By myself.
I've always said that about you, Paul.
Can you believe it?
God, when are you gonna leave your wife?
For you? Yeah.
Nice. We're always worried about what you're doing in this garage, but no, this is way better than what we thought.
Yeah, just, huffing paint fumes and usual.
We've all got our secrets. Sweet.
All by myself.
I believe it.
No, it's like just me.
Yeah. I trust you.
I didn't have any help at all.
Listen, I'm on your side here, pal.
Just my 2 hands.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Sick.
Thanks. Yeah, I did it myself.
Awesome. Now let's go sailing.
It's a chair.
3, take 3. 4-38, take 1.
When he does the
Bleh.
pause, he's like,
All right, dude. Stop talking.
Yeah, I did it myself. Stop asking. It's like the 10th time you've asked me, Joe. You know you can get that stuff at Lowe's now?
Lowe's?
Yeah.
That Lowe's?
Yeah. Not the orange store, the blue one.
Wait. Mom?
There he is. There.
Congratulations. It looks top quality.
Thank you.
Professional.
Yeah. It's because it was TotalBoat.
Maybe less creeper at the end.